This is Kavita Saini and I am a legal intern of the Accident Company and I am a law student of IIM Law College. And today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Article 21 states that no person shall be deprived of his life or liberty except according to procedure established by law. Thus, Article 21 secures two rights, and they are right to life and right to personal liberty. The Government of India Act 1935 provided for establishment of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. It declares that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. Article 21 under the Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution and is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed to all the citizens of India. And this right is available to all citizens and non-citizens also. And Supreme Court has described this right as the heart of fundamental right. And according to Justice Bhagwati, Article 21 embodies a constitutional value of supreme importance in a democratic society. Article 21 cannot be suspended during an emergency. The right to life in Article 21 of Indian Constitution does not mean animal existence or the mere act of breathing. It guarantees the right to dignified life. Some of the rights that are currently included in the ambit of Article 21 includes through the Menka Gandhi case, and these rights are right to live with human dignity, right to livelihood, right to privacy, right to shelter, right to health, right to free education up to 14-year age, and right against handcuffing, and right to fair trial, right to hearing, right to information, and right to freedom from noise pollution, and right to laxity, and there are so many rights. And now we will discuss about the history judgment related to Article 21 of Constitution of India. And now let's discuss. Firstly, we discuss about the Kharak Singh versus the state of UP and others. And through this case, right to privacy was included in Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. And second case is Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration. In this case, Supreme Court deemed that the partial handcuff for convicted person as unconstitutional, as it suggests inhuman behavior towards the prisoner, and the court retreated the clause protection to the convicted and accused person under Article 21. And third one is Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka, 1992. The Supreme Court held that the right to life includes the right to education. And fourth case is Unni Krishna versus the State of Andhra Pradesh, 1993. In this case, Supreme Court fixed the age that right to education is fundamental right for children of age of 6 to 14 years. And fifth case is Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar. Supreme Court included the right to get pollution-free air in the ambit of right to life. And last case is Lachma Devi versus Attorney General of India. In this case, Supreme Court made the execution of death someone at a public place unconstitutional. And now we will discuss the most important cases which related to Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. First one is A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras of 1951. The Supreme Court has taken a narrow interpretation of Article 21. In this case, it held that the protection under Article 21 is available only against arbitrary executive action and not from arbitrary legislative action. This means that the state can deprive a person of the rights available in Article 21 based on a law. And second case is Menka Gandhi versus Union of India of 1978. In this case, the Supreme Court overruled its judgment of the Gopalan case by taking a wider interpretation of Article 21. It ruled that the right to life and personal liberty of a person can be deprived by law on the condition that the procedure prescribed by the law is reasonable, fair, and just. Further, it clarified that the right to life does not merely mean animal existence. It held that all those aspects of life which go to make a man's life meaningful, complete, and worth living will be included in this. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.